reviews.
If you're working on a large surface, that I would definitely go with this brand because you can cover your surface area a lot faster. My name is Xavier Perry Art, and I'm an artist, and I'm here with the Desire Company, and we're going over my Diablo 80 grit sandpaper. So I actually ran into this sandpaper in the hardware store. I've been using it for about 3 months now, and I think that it's really great because it comes in a variety of different grit weights. I personally like the 80 grit. Grit is the texture of the sandpaper. Some of the other textures are 220, 120, 60, but I like the 80 grit because it's a medium texture that will give you the best of both worlds. It'll give you a really smooth surface, but it also gives you a surface that has a little bit of texture to it as well. If you want something where your finish is really smooth, soft to the touch that you can rub with your fingers, I would recommend something like the 220. Or if you're working on something that's outdoors and that can withstand a little bit more durability, then you can use one of the lower numbers like 60 or 80. And I think that having points on the end allows you to get into really tight corners and make really unique bevel points for those tight and intricate projects. For me, some of those projects are my custom coffee tables that I make. Also, I've used this sandpaper for at-home projects such as my staircase and sanding down any type of wood that needs a angular or curvy finish. I would recommend this sandpaper to anyone who may be doing small home projects, all the way up until someone who may be really advanced working on outdoor projects or on site anywhere. This is a great sandpaper for art students and anyone who, like myself, may be really big on craftsmanship.